One of the reasons for the huge popularity of WordPress is the availability of plugins to easily add features and functionality. However, since there are numerous plugins in different categories, it is often tough to pick the right plugin for your website. In this article, we will list out some of the really useful plugins that you can consider for your WordPress site. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon, so you don't miss out on great content related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Yoast is one of the most familiar names that you will come across when you get into the WordPress ecosystem. It is a great plugin that will help you optimize your content for search engines as well as users. Apart from an SEO analysis of your content, it will also provide you a readability score, which will contribute a lot in your user engagement. Whether it is a business site or a blog, you will be able to get the best outcomes in terms of search engine optimization with this plugin. Good page load speed is a determining factor for user experience on a website. If you are looking for an option to improve your page loading speed, WP Super Cache plugin could help. It will convert dynamic files of your blog into static files, and serves them to a vast majority of your users. This will help to enhance the page loading speed of your site significantly. For a certain section of your users, such as logged-in users or those who have left a comment, it serves dynamic pages. And, the plugin offers different configurations according to your technical expertise. Backups are an essential component of website management. You can use Updraftplus to simplify the backup process as well as restoring it. It will help you back up your files and database directly into multiple cloud options such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, etc. Compared to other backup plugins, this one has a wide range of advanced features and is quite intuitive to configure. Building your website's front end will be much smoother if you have the Elementor Page Builder plugin. It offers a drag-and-drop page builder that will help you create pages quite fast. With real-time previews, you will be able to see even the minutest changes while designing a page. It offers more than 100 page templates and over 300 blocks to help you get started without hassles. Moreover, it is responsive and supports WooCommerce as well. You can ensure the safety of your website from malware attacks and hacks, if you have Wordfence security plugin installed. It constantly updates malware information and firewall rules to keep your website secure from known threats. Moreover, it will scan your site continuously to detect any other issues. It also offers different other options like two-factor authentication and CAPTCHA to ensure login security. WooCommerce is one of the easiest choices if you are looking to set up an e-commerce store on your WordPress site. You will be able to sell diverse product types including physical, downloadable and even virtual services using WooCommerce. With the help of plugins, you can also feature some unique product types such as subscriptions, bookings, bundles, etc. In addition, there are several themes and plugins available specifically built to extend WooCommerce. WooCommerce is pretty straightforward to configure, and you can get started with no upfront expenses if you already have a WordPress site. Now, you may have created a WooCommerce store easily. But, how will you easily switch your store into catalog mode? If you want customers to contact you before purchase, it is a great option, which you can easily achieve using the ELEX catalog mode plugin. It will help you remove or customize the text of the add to cart button according to your requirements. You can also hide the product prices and redirect customers to another site by specifying a URL. Moreover, with the premium version of the ELEX catalog mode plugin, you will be able to set user role-specific pricing and more. Another performance-boosting option for your website will be to optimize images. Smush will help you resize and compress images on your site and improve site performance. It also offers features like lazy loading and bulk optimizing of images. In addition, it will help you identify images that are slowing down your site so that you can manage them better. Also, it offers asynchronous, automated compression. You will be able to create and customize contact forms on your WordPress site effortlessly using the Contact Form 7 plugin. It is Ajax-enabled, and thus, ensures a smooth user experience. Moreover, it offers different security features such as spam filtering and CAPTCHA support. The plugin offers detailed documentation so that you can easily install and configure it according to your needs. You can manage redirects on your site more effectively with the help of this plugin. It helps you keep an eye out on 404 redirects, as well as help you manage 301 redirects easily. The main advantage of using the Redirection plugin is that you will be able to handle redirects even if you don't have advanced technical knowledge. Moreover, the plugin helps you specify redirects based on different conditions. Bulk editing product properties on your WooCommerce site is kind of a hassle for most store owners. ELEX WooCommerce Bulk Edit plugin will make it extremely easy to bulk edit title, price, description, SKU, stock and many more fields effortlessly. More importantly, it offers user-friendly filters to selectively choose products for bulk editing. There is a premium version of the ELEX WooCommerce Bulk Edit plugin that will help you easily bulk edit variable products and variations. Google Analytics is the best option to understand how users are interacting with your website. With the help of MonsterInsights plugin, you can seamlessly integrate Google Analytics with your WordPress site. You will be able to incorporate all the advanced tracking features of Google Analytics and manage them right from your WordPress admin. Overall, you will be able to gain valuable insights to grow your site's traffic. Different aspects of your WordPress site can be optimized using the Autoptimize plugin. It helps you minimize and cache scripts and styles, optimize lazy load images, Google Fonts and more. With the help of the API, you will be able to customize the plugin according to your website's specific needs. You can enhance the overall optimization process by combining this plugin with some of the popular caching plugins. For an e-commerce store, the capability to set up discounts is extremely important. With the help of ELEX Dynamic Pricing plugin, you can set up innovative discount rules on your WooCommerce store, like setting up discount rules specific to products or categories. You can base the rules on different parameters such as quantity, price, weight, number of items, etc. The plugin lets you set a percentage or fixed amount as a discount, or you can specify a new price for the product. Moreover, you can set maximum value limits, or restrict the applicability based on user roles. The premium version of ELEX Dynamic Pricing plugin lets you set cart rules, combinational rules, BOGO rules, and more. Your email marketing process will be easier using this MailChimp plugin. It will help you build a bigger email list, and also helps to improve your email marketing strategy in general. It will connect your WordPress site with your MailChimp account in quick time. The plugin also helps you create opt-in forms that could help users sign in easily. Featuring different payment options on your site is important for conversions. Using Stripe, you will be able to accept payment through credit cards as well as through Google Pay, Apple Pay, etc. Since Stripe has no setup or maintenance fee, you will have to only pay for the gateway based on transactions. Stripe also provides superior protection from fraud as well. WooCommerce offers the basic shipping methods in its default settings. However, you can set different advanced conditions for determining shipping costs using this table rate shipping plugin. You can calculate shipping based on product weight or cart total. Moreover, you can set minimum and maximum values for these parameters to create a table rate. Jetpack is a great plugin for your site's overall management. It will protect your site against brute force attacks, spam and malware, and protect your site generally. Moreover, it creates backups and also creates secure login options for customers. It also offers other tools to boost site performance, and to help you with regular site management. Based on your requirements, you can opt for a paid plan also. By verifying with a global spam database, this plugin will help you prevent spam on your WordPress site. Akismet gives you control of the spam moderation process by regularly reviewing it. Bad or broken links on your site could be a major put-off for users and search engines. Broken Link Checker plugin will help you monitor external and internal links on your site, and help you spot and fix broken ones. The plugin is quite simple to use. If you want to remove the capability for users to comment on your pages or posts, you can use the Disable Comments plugin. It will remove the comment capability entirely from a post type. BuddyPress will help you develop a user community on your WordPress site. You can install this plugin to integrate a social network on your WordPress site. Members will be able to create their own profiles and interact with each other easily. Polylang plugin helps you make your website multilingual. You will be able to specify a language for different posts that you create on your site. At the same time, you can continue creating them in the language that you prefer. Moreover, it offers optional translation options as well. Since WordPress is greatly customizable, you can insert snippets of codes at times to add a feature or functionality. Adding a code snippet could be cumbersome for new users. For them, the Insert Headers and Footers plugin could be greatly useful as it helps you add code snippets to the header or footer, or both. You can use this option for adding code for Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, etc. Migrating WordPress sites is extremely easy with Duplicator plugin. You will be able to migrate, copy or clone your site easily between different hosting services or domains. In addition, it also lets you manually backup a site. WordPress Shortcodes plugin offers you a set of shortcodes that you can use on your WordPress site to add custom design or functionality. You can easily create better visual elements for improved customer engagement using this plugin. It works with most themes and the live preview will make it easier to handle. Hopefully, these free plugins for WordPress will help you improve your site management and user experience. All links are in the description. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our social media channels. Do let us know in the comments section if you want us to cover a specific topic, or if you have any ideas or suggestions.